See.
Actually, the way you guys even cover your face.
But if you leave me and this guy, I like this guy now. I mean, you play. See that. What will this guy be? What do they call it?
The Rock.
The Rock. No, the Rock.
Look at the Rock, I mean.
No, now. Charlie, they don't like John Cena.
John Cena.
If you leave me and this guy, go Peter, you tell me this one again. Guy, you give me my body, they do you.
How they do you?
I can feel so happy. You don't want to go toilet again.
Not be beans where you chop yesterday.
But you chop the same beans. Why you won't know the one?
You know my system there now.
No, wait. I dey come.
Yeah.
Later, they come.
If you shit, flash out.
I bet later. You dey shit every day.
You don't flush am. You don't flush am, na your hand go you push am. I'll shoot you.
You don't want to shoot us again? You shoot us now? You don't shoot? For your mind now, say police gun and bullet there. You be like say we dey carry bullets dey waka abi? You don't know say for the first station only 2 bullets dey. Only 2 and our DPO na only 3 bullets na him be get. And I don't know now where I say he carry gun the king say hold on. Who just dey how we be now? Who just dey?
Wait, so bullet no dey stop. How na carry dey waka? Oya go down. So bullet you dey come go down. Good come.
No una come for. We come collect statement. Come collect statement now.
Today and I go hear. How? Hold on, come on, hold on. You go give them. Come back. Come like that.
Man, I spend the force.
According to we hear of this.
No.
On a mic, when I think they gun, they have bullet, Abi. Say this is police talk. And gun.
Yo, thank you very much for watching that hilarious
And funny
comedy video. I know you enjoyed it.
Passing out one kind of small message to those that will understand the message about our Nigeria police.
Exactly.
We are just pleading, government should please do something.
Please.
Government should please do something about the Nigerian police.
Reform the Nigerian police.
In fact, our plea is
reshuffle. In fact, I don't know the right English to use.
Reshuffle Nigeria as a whole.
Your phone.
My phone goes for. Let's reshuffle Nigeria as a whole.
Yes.
For some time now, we have not been able to drop videos due to the current situation in our country.
Yes.
The current things we are going
crisis,
through,
and all that, protest and every other.
We, the youth and citizens of this country, Nigeria, we decided to go on a peaceful protest
asking our government to please end SARS because
say no to
police brutality. Because man, it's really crazy, man. Every youth in Nigeria, almost every youth in Nigeria have crazy stories about.
Yeah, if you're a young guy, like, in fact, if you've not experienced police brutality, that means you're not in Nigeria.
And you should be thanking your God.
Even though I know it's worldwide, like
it's something that is happening everywhere.
But Nigerian, our own case is
crazy.
It's more than
when you don't agree to what they say, they shoot you, and you don't have any option. Nobody can say anything about it. They shoot you.
Funny thing is, we've had series of
several,
experience from
not one, not two,
police,
not three, even a day before all these things started. I have a very serious case.
Yeah.
I paid a huge sum of money. Imagine somebody's arresting you. He's explaining your videos to you. He's like, I know you. Are you not this one?
Yeah,
but he still wants that money from you.
That's the most crazy part.
If you don't give them that money, they shoot you.
These people, they know you. They know that if you're a comedian, you're into this, you're a public figure and all that. But the funny thing is, when they meet you, they pretend as if they don't know you. Then after extorting money from you, they now
begin to laugh.
I have been watching your comedy. Nice one.
We are in serious trouble.
Yeah.
And after, imagine, going on a peaceful protest asking the government to please reform the police and end SARS, many people lost their life just for a peaceful protest. At a point in time, the government started sending hoodlums to attack the peaceful protests. They started doing crazy things
to show you how
to show you the level of the corruption we have
in this country.
And I'm sure it's not only in this country, it's Africa as a whole.
Nationwide, worldwide, it's everywhere.
Africa as a whole. It is time for us to wake up.
It's everywhere.
Africa as a whole, it is time for us to wake up. It is time for us to end all these things.
We can continue.
We cannot continue to live it. See, the future is now.
Yeah.
The future is now. And anything we do now determines how the future will be. So please, we are urging everybody. Please let us come as one and fight this fight. Because I know that this fight, we have already won this fight. I believe we have already won this fight.
You might not see a reason to fight for it now, but trust me,
fight this fight for the future of your children, your
unborn kids, your
for
generation,
the future of this, and for the future of this country. If you really want this country to be a better place, because a lot of lives have been lost, a lot of people have been killed for this cause.
So in all,
God help us, please.
Let's come together.
Let's come together as one and fight this. Please pray for Nigeria. Pray for Africa as a whole.
Wherever you are.
I've had series of other cases in other countries too. Please, let's come together as one, we Africans, and fight this fight. And trust me, together we can make it big. Together we can win this fight.
Together we can make it happen. So keep
watching, subscribe, tell your friends,
share to your family, share to your loved ones.
See you all next week.
See you when we see you.
Sorry, not next week. See you very soon again.
When we see you.
We draw videos for you.
Thank you.
Back to back.